Hi, welcome to another new video, and in this video we are going to walk through an exciting topic, and the topic is how to unlink Steam from social club, and we are going to walk through a best way to unlink a Steam. So first of all, we need to create an account in rockstargames.com. Once you create an account, they will verify everything, or if you have an account, just click on sign up and just create an account, or if you have an account just existing, just click over here and give you mail here and just password. Simply, it is a simple way you need to do it, and give your password here. Just paste your password or type here, and then you need to be sign in here. Once you sign in here, you will be redirect to dashboard. You can see it take me to the admin panel. In here I have the option to click on here. It allow me to go on setting. Just click over here setting. Once I visit to the setting, I will have furthermore option to do whatever I want to do in here. I can delete the account, I can change, and I can edit everything. So in here I will just walk through in link account option, and it will take me to this place, and here you can see we already linked a Google account to our social club option. So I want to unlink it. Just click over here unlink. Once you click over here, it will give you the option to unlink the feature. Just click on unlink. Once you hit the unlink button, it will totally unlink your all the link from that place, and this is the simplest and easiest way. I hope you can do it right now easily after watching the video, and if you watch till the end this video, it means you have the you already get all the questions from this video. And if you found out this video is really helpful, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day.